Hello. Welcome to Curious Explorers. Today you are going to learn 7 surprising facts. Come with me. Fact number 1. Did you know that there are super-resistant bacteria that live at the bottom of the sea in hot waters that can reach up to 752 degrees Fahrenheit? Yes, it's true. These bacteria are known as extremophile bacteria, which live in hot springs at the bottom of the ocean. These hot springs are known as hydrothermal vents and release hot water, gases, and minerals from the Earth's interior. These bacteria can easily survive in hostile environments, including the ability to produce special proteins and the ability to metabolize a wide variety of chemicals, making them important for biotechnological applications such as the production of biofuels and scientific research. A bacterium called Thermus aquaticus, which lives in a hydrothermal spring in the Yellowstone region of the United States, is used in research to conduct DNA diagnostic tests. Thermophilic bacteria are a fascinating example of how life can adapt and survive in extreme environments. They can help us better understand how life originated on Earth and how it can exist on other planets or moons in our solar system and beyond. Let's move on to surprising fact number 2. Did you know that the largest living organism in the world is an incredible fungus called Armillaria ostoii? It is gigantic, covering an area of over 3,444.912 square feet in the Malheur forest in Oregon, USA. This fungus forms large underground colonies called mycelia and is over 2,400 years old, making it one of the oldest living organisms on the planet. Despite appearing invisible to our eyes, the fungus's mycelium produces edible mushrooms in the fall. It is found in various parts of the world and feeds on dead trees or the roots of living trees. But despite being so incredible, Armillaria ostoii can also be harmful to trees. It is considered a pathogen and can kill entire trees and damage entire forests. And the worst part is that it is difficult to control the fungus's growth since it spreads through the soil and is resistant to many fungicides. Fascinating and dangerous, isn't it? Fact number 3. Did you know that the brightness of the starlight we see in the night sky is actually the light emitted by stars that may have died millions of years ago? When we look up at the night sky and see the stars shining, we are actually seeing lights that were emitted many years or thousands of years ago because the speed of light takes time to reach us. For this reason, some stars we see in the sky may have already died. In other words, the lights we see in the sky are like a record of the past and help us understand the history of the universe and how it evolved over time. Fact number 4. Did you know that only about 5% of the ocean has been explored by humans? This means that we barely know the bottom of the sea. Imagine, the ocean covers more than 70% of the Earth. That's a lot. The average depth is about 12,467 feet, but in the Mariana Trench in the Pacific, the ocean can reach depths of more than 35,700 feet. That's higher than Everest. In the depths, there are incredible creatures that are highly adapted to the craziest conditions, such as giant squid up to 43 feet long, fish that glow in the dark, and many others that we still don't know. There are also hot springs, volcanoes, underwater mountains, and many other cool things to discover. Therefore, researchers and scientists are always thinking of new technologies to discover more and more about the ocean, so that we can better understand how the Earth has evolved up to this day. Fact number 5. Did you know that the human brain is capable of storing 5 times more information than the Encyclopedia Britannica? Your brain is a giant collection of encyclopedic books with information on all sorts of subjects. It is capable of storing information in different areas, such as short-term memory and long-term memory. Short-term memory is used to store temporary information, such as the phone number you just heard. Long-term memory, on the other hand, is used to store permanent information, such as your childhood memories. In addition, the human brain has the incredible ability to adapt and change over time. This means that the more information you learn and store, the more your brain can grow and develop. But remember, the human brain is like a muscle and needs to be exercised regularly to stay healthy and strong. It is important to challenge the brain with new learning and activities, such as memory games, reading, and mental exercises, to help improve its information storage capacity. Fact 6. Did you know that the energy released by a hurricane is more powerful than atomic bombs? Hurricanes are super powerful storms that arise in the ocean. They have winds that reach over 155 miles per hour, heavy rains, floods, and giant waves. These storms can last for days or weeks and cause a lot of damage. The energy that a hurricane releases is simply incredible. A Category 5 hurricane can produce energy equivalent to more than 10 atomic bombs like those used in Hiroshima. Isn't that amazing? Despite being dangerous, hurricanes help balance the planet's temperature and distribute moisture. Fact number 7. Did you know that the loudest sound ever recorded in the world was caused by the eruption of the Krakatoa volcano in 1883? The sound was heard at a distance of about 2,982 miles and was so powerful that it could be lethal to any human being near it. This is because the sound was so loud that it could cause severe physical damage to the ears and internal organs of anyone nearby. Some people who were near the volcano suffered permanent ear damage and some even died instantly. When Krakatoa erupted, it released an incredible amount of energy, creating sound waves that traveled through the air at an astonishing speed. The sound was so loud that people heard it hundreds of kilometers away, and the nearest buildings shook so much that many collapsed. To illustrate the magnitude of the sound, imagine a fireworks explosion right next to you. Now, multiply that by millions and imagine that it happened at Krakatoa. The sound was so loud that it became a historic event and was recorded as one of the greatest natural explosions in history. Fortunately, we don't need to worry about something like that happening again anytime soon, right? Which of these 7 facts surprised you the most? Write in the comments. If you liked the video, hit the like. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to receive the next videos. See you next time.